Seven's construction. You already know your girl Seven on the job over here, changing out some light switches and installing some GFIs. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Flooring, of course, backsplash, countertop. Um, when we're done, we'll let you see. But meanwhile, for those non-believers, gotta make them believers. So they know that girls could do just about anything. Anything that you put your mind to, you can get it done. So, with that being said, I'm gonna let y'all check me out here working. Of course, always when you mess with electricity, you gotta have your testers. And make sure everything is good. You know. So this wire is hot. This wire is hot, so you guys know. And put on your gloves. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to be toast, because I will come with the butter and the coffee. So, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and do what we do. So, I had the door open. Of course, I need lights, so Manny working on the floor a little bit while he do him, and he's helping me out do some putting the face covers on for the backsplash. And then I could actually show you guys it. Don't mind me, I have like a lot of stuff in my pockets, so I look crazy right now. Of course, your safety goggles, you always have those. Yeah, put those on. I do what I do. Alright, so you could put them on, you don't have to. I recommend that you do, because if any kind of sparks come out, they could hit your face or whatever, and it could burn you, stuff of that nature. You know, I'm just showing you what I do. I can't tell you what to do. You got to go to school for this stuff. But, I'm just showing you what I do. And this is what I do. This is what Seven do. You know what I'm saying? Oh, by the way, we got some new shirts. Check them out. Check them out. Seven Construction. You already know. I don't know if you could see. But, we tried with a different color. Go with another color, Alright, enough about me. Let's do what we came to do. So, we of course gotta take the screw out. You know what I'm saying? So this is how we do. These sometimes they give you a hard time. Sometimes they don't. Sometimes they do. They got their own issues. I guess we all got issues, right? So we went ahead and we took that one out. As you can see, that's an old one. It's like built from who knows? Even like 1819. Manny goes 1960s. Everything is 1960s for him. He's still a hippie. He's still in that era. But yeah, he's the one that was like, peace and love, dudes. That was Manny. All right. We're gonna go ahead and do switch with switch. So So we would be doing this way. Yeah, having a little complication. All right, now I have to go get my pliers. So stay tuned. Okay, here we go, guys. So, I get my pliers, which we got. And I hit that one at a time. You gotta tighten these up real good. Make sure they, like when I say they tighten. You know, girls, when y'all tighten that wrap, that hair look nice. Make sure it's tight. Know what I'm talking about? Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little swirly tie over here with it. Then go ahead, slap this belt puppy in, and like I said, all you gotta do is tighten it, tight. Like I would make a joke about tightness, but I'm not a real dude. You know what I'm saying? So, can't make those kind of jokes. And kids be watching me sometimes. And shout out to all the little kids that do watch me. 7 love you. 7 Construction send you mad love. If you inbox me and leave me a comment, any of the kids, I will send you a present from 7's Construction. So we'll be waiting to see if there's any little kids out there that want to be contractors and that watch me and actually enjoy watching me. I'm thankful for all my watchers and my followers, my subscribers, my clients that do watch me as well when I work on their house. I'm very thankful to you guys. You guys made a hell of a year through this pandemic. Love you guys. Those that are just tuning in that don't know me, get to know me. I'm cool. I'm a good person, and I just like helping people, and I love what I do. I love my crew, and that's what we do here in Ohio. We do remodels, we do construction, we do lighting, we do roofing, we do masonry, we do flooring, we do kitchens, bathrooms, bedrooms, renovation, remodels, makeovers. Holla. All right, and you don't have to worry about any cheesy contractors running off with your money. So yeah, there you have it, guys. We got the outlet in, and all we have to do now is basically tighten up everything. And once we tighten up everything, we can go ahead and cut on the light. So I didn't have to worry about this switch being grounded because it was already grounded, so I didn't have to worry about that, which was a good thing. But when you're doing sockets, you have to check them and you have to have your tool so that it can let you know if you're dealing with live, like, live electricity or not. But there you got it, guys. You have it. So there goes one here. I'm still got quite a few to go, but when I'm done, I will hit you. Actually, all right, we did that one. This top here, we got that on. Went ahead and we also did this one. When I say about testers and stuff, guys, um, I'm gonna school y'all to these. They like the best thing to have when you're doing electricity. So over here it says, as you can see, is a list here, and it gives you different details. Like correct wiring would be two orange and no red. So that's what we're looking for. But I'm the bomb. So here you go. We're gonna test it out. So right now, there's no electricity running through any of these while I was doing them, because I don't need to get shocked. Manny doesn't need to get shocked. So it's never fun. So hey Manny. So it's only me and Manny today. It's a very light day. So this is how it's looking. GFI and light installed. So when I put part 2 of this lighting, you will see it being done and it being grounded and perfect wiring. So when I come back, I will show you my finishing products. We will check all of them together. I'm going to go ahead and fix one more switch that I have to put together. So I'm going to change out one more switch and one more GFI. As soon as I'm done doing that, I will come right back on and I will do part 2, and we can do the walkthrough with the lighting so you can see how the wiring goes. And we'll check it together. Until then, stay tuned. Sevens Construction. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.